Good morning, my dear students, class 6. In previous class, I told you about the globe. Today, we shall study the reading of maps. Dear students, as you know, our earth is so huge, which cannot be seen, or it is not possible to see the entire earth at a time. So, to study the various part of the earth, we need a small model of earth as a globe or as a map. In last class, you have studied about the globe. Globe as a small scale model of earth which represents the earth accurately. But we saw that earth globe is not so convenient as it cannot be carried from place to place. So, as an option, the map is taken for the study of the earth. Then, say what is map? Map is a representation of earth or a part of it on a flat surface. It is useful if we want to see the different parts of the earth in detail. It shows the continents, the countries, and the various physical features of the earth. But earth cannot be represented as the earth is curved. A map can either show the correct size of it or the correct shape of it, but not the both at the same time. However, a map is more convenient than a globe. It is easier to carry and handle. Maps are very useful for students as well as the common people. It gives a lot of information to the planner who plans the road, residential areas, factories, and other places. Let us see the history of map. The history of map making. The art of preparing a map is called cartography. Cartography. And a person who prepares the map is called cartographer. Ptolemy is known as the father of cartography. Ptolemy is known as the father of cartography. In ancient times, the Babylonians thought that the earth is flat. So they drew the map of the earth on the basis of this. In ancient times, different materials were used to prepare the maps. The Babylonians He used clay tablets to prepare the map. The Egyptians used the metal plates and the Eskimos used skin to prepare the maps. Now let us see the types of maps. Basically, maps are of three types. They are political map, Political map shows the boundaries of countries, state, district, as well as it also shows the location of cities, towns and villages. Second one, physical map. Physical map. It shows the different landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, valleys, oceans and seas. Common thematic map. These maps are based on theme or a topic. These will show the different things like soil, type of forests, crops, distribution of industries, or factories. So dear students, today we have learned about the globe, map, history of making map, types of maps, the political map, physical map and thematic map. So I would like to request you to revise at your home and prepare for the next class.